Boop, 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 boop. Hello. Happy Saturday. Sorry for the late start. Late start means late end. But here I am, ready to do as much work as possible on Orbem Explore. That would be my video game. What you can see behind me is my website. Quick intro, in case this is your first video stream you're watching, or VOD. Name is Scott V. Adrian. I am a website programmer. I specifically work in WordPress programming for very high level enterprise sites. I used to work for Disney. I worked for Warner Brothers, built websites for Universal, and plenty of others. Been doing it for about 14 years now. And before that, I was still doing website design, but not at a professional level. I was a professional piercer for 10 years. I worked in Hollywood for a couple years, Studio City, multiple shops, Echo Park, which was fun. It's called El Clasico Tattoo. Shout out if they're still going. I don't know. My boss was Sal. Very great artist, very heavy-handed artist. So you definitely weren't moving when he was tattooing you. And yeah, done music my whole life as well. All the music you hear on this stream is me, or music I've recorded or have collaborated on. And some of it's available on YouTube. Some of it's available on Spotify, Napster, all the other platforms. And most of the content I create these days is surrounding my sci-fi fantasy novel series. Starting with the first book, which is what you can see behind me. That is Orbem. Orbem is currently out on Amazon. There is a paperback. There's an audiobook. There is an ebook. Anything you want. And yeah, book 2 is available for pre-order. That'll be out July 1st. So if you're hungry for a 2-book binge, wait for that. Get them both. Completely fine. And yeah, if you don't want to pay for it, get a Kindle Unlimited account, and you can download it for free. If you want the audiobook for free, you can get your first Audible account or use one of your credits, and that's also free. As free as signing up for an account and paying for the account is. But yeah, it's very accessible. So what I work on these streams are my video game based off of the Orbem world, Orbem universe. And we'll go ahead and show my screen so you can see what I'm talking about. Oops. There I am. So let's get a little bit more height here so I don't have to scrouch down. Yeah, I joined another stream before this that I thought my buddy was going to be on, but he was not able to join, so I conspicuously just left. But good luck to them on their stream and their journey. If any of them see this, sorry for jumping off. But yeah, I'll jump into another one, you know, when my buddy is on there. So he's a moderator. Okay. You're looking at Orbem Mortar. You're looking at Graham. He's the main character of the book. There's two POV narrators. One is Graham here, and one is Iona, which is the female character. And they both narrate the book. First person narrative. So if you like that kind of thing, which I think I do a lot more than third person. People like it one way or the other a lot of times. Sometimes they don't care. But I like the rules, you know? I like the structure where like you're in someone's head, you are there with them, and if they're not there, then they don't know what's going on. You know? It just feels more like you're actually there, right? Because you can't float away and see the entire world and then see a bad guy coming at you from 100 miles away and, you know, see what he looks like and what he's saying. You know, that's not real. I think it's harder to write first person narrative though, because you have that constraint. You can't be creative with scenes. You can't like walk out of a room and then somebody says like, man, I hate that guy, like, because he wouldn't hear that, or she. Yeah. So if you like first person narrative, Orbem is the book for you. The Harmonian Chronicles is the entire series. It's a 4-book series, and you can just jump on into Amazon, search Orbem. It'll probably come up first. For some reason, the paperback always comes up first. And you'll see it's the Harmonian Chronicles. And we're doing alright. We're staying above 4 stars, which is good. Randomly got a 1 and a 2-star rating, which is so frustrating, because if you're going to leave such a bad rating, be nice if you left a review. But they decided not to leave a review. So they just want to hate. And they don't want to tell you why. Which makes you wonder if they actually read the book or not. And don't get me started on Goodreads. Oh my god. I know for a fact 2 people left 1-star review, 1-star ratings, no reviews. And they just do this. I've looked at their accounts because I was wondering like, oh, what kind of books do they like, and do they usually have such bad ratings? They only do 1-star ratings. They do the same books. So I'm guessing it's the same account. I reached out to Goodreads. They said they were not violating any of their policies or terms of use, so they can't just remove the ratings. I know there's a lot of hubbub about Goodreads and, you know, if they're good for authors or whatnot, but at the end of the day, people are gonna look at the book, they're gonna look at what it's about, and if they're gonna not read it because it's under 4 stars on Goodreads, then yeah, they're missing out. Other people are not caring. You know, daily sales, it's doing alright. My ads are performing better than they were. I'm getting better at it. My Facebook ads specifically. My Amazon ads, they definitely are paying for themselves, but they are few and far between, purchase and impression and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the universe that the book's gonna be in. Here's, I don't know, this is the book cover designer's interpretation of Graham. It's a little bit hunky for me. He's kind of more of like a nerd. Obviously, he's a technologist who invented a wormhole device, so I don't expect him to be super chiseled and whatnot, but Good cover. I like the typography. It's the second time I've released this book, but as you can see, book 2 is coming out July 1st. Woohoo! It's with the editor right now. I'll be getting it back by end of the month so that I can do any revisions. It's a developmental editor stage, so there are going to be story changes, I'm guessing, pacing changes, maybe removing parts, adding parts. So that tends to be a little bit more intensive with my edits and stuff after the fact. I have 4 weeks to get that part done, which I can do. I did the first draft in what? January. Like 5 months. Something like that. And it only took me a month to do the editing phase where I went through it and made sure it looked good enough for the editor. So I figure another month after the developmental edit should be enough time, and then it'll go to line editing and proofreading and hopefully good to go. They're planning on getting it done in June, so I should have enough time to finish up my portions. I have been doing the typesetting on the side, even though it's not a completely final write. There's a lot of stuff that goes into typesetting, setting up the chapters, chapter names, the table of contents, forward, ending parts. And we got this, and we got a back cover, but I need to write the blurb for the back cover. You'll see he's got a really cool blue glowing thing. That's his transportation device that he embedded into his arm. And yeah, I like the second cover. It's Myropilia. This is, one of the settings of the next book. But I'll try not to do any more spoilers. Let's get back to the game. Welcome back to Orbem Explore. As you'll be able to see, this is a very rough draft game. It's the first iteration with very minimal mechanics and styling. I'm working on the mechanics. As you can see, this loading on the right here is the coordinates being saved. So wherever you go, you can leave, come back, and you'll be in the same spot, which is important to me, so you don't lose the progress of your game, and it auto saves all that. Everything auto saves that you do, and if you want to start over, New Game Plus, can't do New Game Plus, but if you want to do New Game, you can do New Game, and this will just dump all your data, and now you're back to the beginning. We have been specifically working on the menu lately, and you see we have a storage menu, and if you collect a health item, you get a little heart, and if you collect a mana item, you get a little magic symbol, and those are all in your items menu. Then we got weapons and gears, these are tabs. And then we got this working yesterday. Click on that heart. Click on the heart. Click on the heart. It's not letting me click the heart. Let's close this. It's not letting me close this. What am I doing? For some reason that closes both menus, by the way. Am I even able to select this? Yeah. No. Interesting. Well, it doesn't look like anything's on top of it. Okay. Well. Guess we should get that working. Let's see. We got the click event. Let's see. Get item description. Show item description. Yeah. But the click for this is not working. So here we go. Menu item click. What did I do? What did I do to deserve this? That's weird. The order changed. Should probably fix that. Oh, there we go. Welp. I know what the problem is that when you first add it, the click event doesn't exist. So I need to add a click event when you add an item. So let's do that. Let's actually, we have to make this into a function then, so we'll do that. Show item description, okay. Oh, that's already a function. Well, in that case, well then let's add this to that function. Why don't we? Because that's kind of important. Doesn't look like we can't add it to this function. Yeah. So menu item is, I guess I want to, let me see here. Yeah, let's just do that. Oh, thank God for mute buttons. Almost exploded in the mic. Alright, we'll send the whole item. And then we'll do this. Item. Item. Coolio. And then we'll do item. Swamp. Cool, so that's part of this. Great. Alright. And now we have a function to use when you add a thing. So where's the add menu item function? Add menu. Storage. Save storage item. Oh, that's not what I want. Show description, that's not what I want. Here we go. Store explore item. Yes. Give me your logic. And I have not posted anything about this on my socials. Not that I think it does anything anyways, but I don't know, I started really late, so this is more just for documentation of the game development process. I don't expect to get a bunch of followers from this at the moment. Maybe someday. But for now, it's just for me. And I like making shorts from these videos and seeing how people react to them. So far, so-so. Getting a lot of views, but I mean, comparatively to who I am with no followers or no subscribers, I get a lot of views. Shorts are good for doing that. Okay, yes. So what I need to do is when it prepends, let's add a click event. Computer's freaking out over here. Other computer. Click around. Click. Why did I? What am I doing? Learn how to remember your functions. Alright. Event listener. Click. Show item description. What was the whole point of this? Oh yeah, I need to do that. Menu. Cool. So now there's a click event for this. That we need. Nope. Yep. There's a click event on this item now. Let's see if that works. That'd be nice. Oh, I gotta fix that close event. It's really annoying. Okay, let's start a new game. Doop 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 doop. And the whole point of this is when I click the item right now, I should be able to do the show description without refreshing the page. Thank you. Nope. What you got? It's not digging. Okay, so data's coming in as object. Why is that, you say? Good question. I've got data value, data ID, data type, title. I don't know why. Looks the same as my other thing. Get data ID. ID. Here's data ID. Let's see what it looks like in the network. Null. What? What do you mean no? Get item description null. I say no. How would that be? Let's see why that would be. Because data ID is looking. Well, let's think about this. I'm passing item. I'm not getting an error about get attribute. So that's weird. Oh, I didn't change. No? What? ID. Item. What am I doing? ID's not working. It's got null. Data ID. Get attribute. Item should be good. I guess we should find out what item's giving me. Duplicate code. I don't see it. Oh god, I forgot it does this. What do I do? I don't know how to close this. Oh man, it's gonna be green forever now. Alright, well, let's see what happens. Because I do not know what is the deal. Oh, look at that. All it has is data menu. What? That's not true. Look at all this stuff it has. Data menu isn't even... Oh. Oh. Oh? Oh. Oh. I keep saying oh. 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 Do you want me to explain? Or just keep saying oh? Yeah, so I thought putting menu item... Wrong. I thought putting menu would work, but it's menu item I need. What the hell? Oh, I'm so dumb. I put menu item here. I changed it from menu, but I never changed it from here. You know, I was thinking about this the other day. And I wonder if anybody else knows what it feels like to be such a genius. You know? Messing up variable names like that. I don't think anybody understands what I go through. Just how smart I am. But my brain can barely handle variable names. It's a curse. It's a curse. It's a curse. It's a chronic curse. I'll never break it. I'll always have issues with variable names. And guess what? It's spreading. I have an issue with class names now. IDs. And the worst of all, function names. Ask me what my function name is. No effing clue, man. Yay! Okay, good. So it works. But, did you see what happened there? When it opens, it's like seeing this as a new item. Like this is an item for some reason. I don't think it says map item, does it? No, I don't say. See, look. Storage item just got a no point. Why? Why are you getting a no point? And how are you getting a no point? I'm not even touching you. Be right back. By the way, did you see my sweater? The hoodie. Zip up. Yeah. You too could wear Orbem merch. Check it out. The Orbem. Ew. Yeah. Orbem order. There you go. Did you know you could go on Amazon and buy a Cormier pillow? You can buy the bad guy and sleep with him. Check it out. Isn't that fantastic? And remember the bad guy from my video game who keeps pushing me around? You can buy him too. The pop socket. Among other things. These all designs come in pillows, bags, and then all the sweaters. And look, my video game even has a t-shirt with all the characters. And it comes in multiple colors. And you see we got main character, Iona, John, Siona. Yeah. And you'd be supporting a video game, a book, a band, all in one just by buying your very own Orbem merch. Yeah, I got a whole boatload of these designs and t-shirt types. They're also all available on orbemortar.com. If you go to shop, it's basically just affiliate links. It just takes you to Amazon. But, you know, if you're already on the website because you're playing the video game, or you want to play the video game, then you could go to the shop. And I have to actually update the book. The book is in my shop, but I still have the old version. See, yeah, it's the old cover. So if you want to see the old cover at the old price, it's right here. No longer exists. Yeah. So that's the thing. And if you go to the YouTube, which is playing live, you'll see under videos, nope, just kidding, under releases, the Orbem Order is also a band. It's my music. You hear it playing in the background sometimes. I'll point it out. But yeah. See? Orbem. It's just a multitude of content. But we're really trying to get this to work. So, first off, I don't like that no point is getting added to storage item. Because that makes me think that when I run into it, that's why it's being no point. And when I'm rebuilding it, no, see, class name should just be storage item. Yeah, that's why I don't think it's that, actually, now that I think about it. So that means that it's hitting me and getting no point. So what I need to do is make sure that it does not have the class storage item. Let's see if we can do that. No point. There is no point. So if you do not have a no point class, then it does this, checks this. I think the point is if it is Just don't get why this is happening. Let's check why. I'm running point animation. Get item description. Wait, what? Show item description. Oh. Yeah. That's only when I use it. Wait, what? What did I do? Add, use, and drop features. Use. I do this sometimes. I forget to add the click event. I just add the logic that goes inside the click event. Dude. So stupid. So, yeah. Use button. Add event. Listener. Yeah. Click. Where? Okay. And now if you click it, run the point animation. So I was just running it. See, that's why I kept acting like it was using it. That's so funny. It's not funny. It's stupid. You know, I do this stream and work on this when I'm so tired. It must look like I just completely have no idea what I'm doing, which I probably twice as much of the time than when I'm normally working. How about I give you guys a tip on multitasking? Let's see, can I think of anything good? One thing I like to do is I add my life events to my work calendar. And if your work uses Google Calendar, you can use like your personal Gmail account and add it to your calendar. That way, when you're looking at it, like on your phone in the day screen, you just see everything for that day. Your life events are also on there, whether it's like, you know, go pick up the kids, or oh, I have to do my tax meeting or whatever like that. That way you never miss a meeting and you never miss a life event, you know, a non-work event. And I do that way in advance sometimes too, like, oh, dentist for the kids or doctor's appointment or something like that. I'll put it right in my Google Calendar because I will forget. That's kind of multitasking, right? Life and work. So this should work. But I want to start new because I want to try it without refreshing the page first. Got nothing. Really want to get this to work. Tell me why you know work. Where's my close settings? Close storage. Query selector all. Close settings. Close settings. Close setting. Add click event. Yes. Retrieval points item description. Remove engage from setting cog. Setting cog is the for each. I think I ran into this conundrum once before. You know, if I name the close button the same thing, then I could do it like this. Burp, 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 burp. I'll do class instead, because you can't have it be an ID and a class. Got a new gig today. A singing gig. Usually I get Fiverr gigs for screaming. I guess a lot of people, you know, there's a lot of singers on Fiverr, so why not? But this guy said he liked my voice, so hired me to do, you know, send him like a sample with his music, because he's working on a song that he wants to finish and he's looking for a singer for it. So I'll record something. It's a pretty cool song. I can work with it pretty well. Honestly, I come up with melodies very fast, so I just kind of go into the recording room and just wing it, as long as I have some lyrics to read them good. I need settings. Change you to class. I know we're doing a fix for a bug, and we always want to wait till the end for that, but honestly, shut up. Just kidding. Close settings. I think I have to fix that, because I believe I did setting. Close settings. Okay, cool. But oh. Alright, so now we got closed settings, and we can do this. Here we go. Instead of the for each, what I'm gonna do is wait. Whoa. I guess I could just do this. Setting, cog, query selector. Now that it's the same class, close settings. Right, dot add event. But you should always check if it exists. Stop telling me what to do. When have I ever listened to you? Never. Okay, so let's just add this logic here. Should be that simple, really. I can get rid of what? I added. Why would I add this inside the close setting? I'm confused. What the hell? Oh, this is the click out logic. I was getting, because I was getting rid of it for, okay. Yeah. But this shouldn't be in the close setting if statement. That's kind of weird. See, look what happened. No goddamn comment, because you're an idiot. Okay, if settings menu, add click out logic. Click out doesn't work for storage because of item description. Description. To do fix. Okay. So now we'll do this. Yep, close settings. For the current cog. Should be good. Should be good. Should be good. Though this is only needed. This is only needed if description exists. Which is only needed. Okay, whatever, doesn't matter. Lego. I have a heating pad under my desk for my feet. Because in Michigan it gets really cold. My office is in a weird spot of the house. It's the very, like, closest to the garage, like at the very end. So it tends to get cold. Colder in here. You know, I've got plenty of vents and stuff from the heater, but you know, too many windows or something. I don't know what it is, but it's awesome. Little thing has a button. You can like make it hotter or colder. Just by clicking it with your feet. You know, I don't have to go down there with my hands. I can just click it with my toe. And but when I sit where I am here, I'm like kind of at the corner. One leg's under the desk, one leg is off to the right. Sounds worse than it is, but so like only my left foot's on the heater. It's very hot right now on my left foot. It's a strange feeling having your left foot be hot and your right foot cold. But my left foot is where I had the accident. Got in a motorcycle accident back in, let's say like 2013 maybe. Yeah, it's been about 10 years, maybe a little longer. 12 years. That makes sense. Actually, it's got to be more than 12 years because I was not married to my now wife. We were still dating, so would have been maybe 13 years. Our anniversary will be 13 years in January, yeah. So 13 years ago, got a motorcycle accident. Wait. Oh, yeah, I'm an idiot. You act like that's gonna work. Oh wait, no. It totally should work. Setting cog. Query selector. DOS. Right? Close settings inside. Isn't it? Setting cog, settings, storage form. Yeah, look, storage. It's a cog. It's inside there. What's the error? I think it's saying. Oh, wait, what? So I just kind of wrote the ad, click event, wrong. Yeah, idiot. Which is an Irish thing I learned when writing Orbem. Okay, I just didn't have the click event. Got it. Back to what I was talking about. Motorcycle accident. Yeah, I was driving down the 5, which that's how we talk in California when we're talking about freeways. The 5 freeway. Interstate 5. It was the 5 freeway. And it's legal to lane split. It's legal to lane split in California. And lane splitting is where you're on the freeway and you are allowed to go in between traffic. So if traffic stopped, you can go in the middle of 2 lanes and just, you know, zoom past cars, which is why I bought the motorcycle on top of gas prices. I told myself, when gas hits $4, I'm getting a motorcycle. That's exactly what I did. because I used to have to commute to, you know, an hour there and an hour back from work, and it cut my travel time down, you know, by half. Wait, what? Where did the close button go? Oh. Whoops. I forgot the styling part. Whoops. Have to fix the styling, and then I gotta compile it. Okay. So, I was driving down the freeway, lane splitting. I wasn't going that fast. Even though I was lane splitting, if traffic stopped, it's very scary to go like really fast in between a bunch of cars, because, you know, somebody can change lanes right in front of you, and you can be in a bad way. So what ended up happening is somebody changed lanes right in front of me, and again, I wasn't going that fast, but I was going fast enough to where they weren't paying attention, and they just zoomed over, not quick enough. They zoomed slowly over to get in the next lane, and I hit the brakes, and I just slid, boom, right into the back of their car. Dumb lady, making a dumb move, not looking for motorcyclists, which is, you know, something that they always tell people on freeways. You know, keep an eye out for motorcycles. And we're loud, you know. I mean, it was a 600 Yamaha street bike, but it was still pretty loud. And no way, the click event's still not working. Why do you refuse to click? Close settings. Oh wait, what is it closing? I guess I didn't think about that. Close setting, item description, setting cog, process remove. Yeah, whatever the current setting cog is. You piece of shit. Sorry, I'll get back to the story in a second. This is like, it's a bug, I know. I shouldn't be fixing it. I should be focusing on development of new bugs. Creating things that have new bugs. That's what I should be making. But this one is hurting my menu development life, so hey. So what have we learned? That this click event is working. What have we also learned? That setting cog is not working. Why? Well, let's look. Is it double adding? Like, is it adding right after it closes and you just can't tell? Let's check. Yes. It must be. Why is it trying to add? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now it's doing the same. Why? Is it because the X button's right on top of the cog? That doesn't make any sense. Is the X button, I mean, is this canceling out? Like, is this canceling out this? Setting cog is the entire menu. You can't do a click event on and after. Is this an after? It has to be because it's content. It's a before. Shite. Shite and shiter. Wait, what? What? Yeah. Okay, I can fix that. I think I can fix that. Okay, so if it's not the close setting that you're clicking, then you can add engage, right? Otherwise, you know, go ahead and add engage. Now the only problem would be is if it thinks the close setting is the thing you're clicking on, but I don't think it will. Womp. 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 Oh yeah. That's a good feeling. Thank you. Womp. 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 Closes both. Either way, very cool. Okay. We are unblocked. Let us continue. Boom. Let's collect some shit. Boom. I don't like that it's sounding the noise even though it's not getting to. That's fine. It's collecting. Okay. Now use. I mean bad. Because I need to add logic. If you already have health, you shouldn't be able to use it. Because my wife is an avid gamer. She's a console player. PS5. And she's got this new game called Banisher. If anybody's played it, it's cool. And the mechanics of the gameplay are a little basic, and I'm talking about this shit, not like fighting and stuff. The fighting's really cool, blocking, fighting, using your banishing powers. That's still cool, but like using health and stuff like that. You have like these 3 vials that you can use to heal yourself. And she kept, it's a new game, so she's used to other buttons from other games that she's playing. Like she's replaying Cyberpunk right now as well, which is one of her favorites right now, and very cool game. And so she kept healing herself by accident and wasting her health vials when she was trying to attack or parry or whatever, block. And I hate that. And I told her, I'm like, I want, my game to not let you waste health. So if you click on the health, it shouldn't work if you have full health. You know what I mean? Which it doesn't look like it is. I'm lying. I don't have any logic to get rid of it when you use it. Do I? I don't remember. Add. Wait. Use button. So if I use it, do I have that logic to check if you have full health already? In here, the points, add user points. I think it's in here. So it's in here. So if the current's already 100, return doesn't do anything. So I actually think I'm covered. Return. So then I should add the removal of the item here. If your health. If your health or mana is full, don't add more. Cool. Wait, what? If 100 is less than... Oh, alright, great. Got it. Make sure amount is always 100 or less. Cool. Just trying to remind myself what I was doing here. Okay. So. Now I can't tell if this is a collectible or a breakable because I only have name and type. I don't have the item itself, and I don't want to pull it again. So what I'm going to do is that logic somewhere else. Where do I have the item? I have it here. So position type is type. Collectible. Collectible. That's right. Data collectible. Is that right? Yes, that's right. If, and that's going to be if collectible, then I guess I could just send this because it's already here. So add user points. Let's put collectible as a new thing. And we'll add collectible. So, pop, pop, pop. If collectible, remove from menu. Wait, I don't need the collectible element, I need the menu so I can remove it based off of name, I'm guessing. So I don't need it. I don't need to do what I was just doing because I'm stupid. Making more work for myself. Having to remove stuff I typed. How annoying. So basically, I don't care if it even exists. If item remove from. I kinda care actually if it's collectible. Because that's a good way to tell if it was in the menu already. Shit. Remember the whole thing about making more work for myself? Let's add it back. You dumb. Yeah, because if it's not collectible, then, you know, I shouldn't try to remove it. But I can get the item from the menu using the name. Okay. That's better. Collectible. So, if collectible, remove from menu. Then we're going to get menu item equals document.query. Document.query selector. It's going to be retrieval points. And I'm going to look for this item name, which is going to be position map. No. Incorrect, my friend. Data. Wrong again. Title equals position. Yeah, almost had it. Menu item. So this is how you remove an item. You go set attribute, data. Can you just remove the entire data set? Like just data set blow up and that gets rid of all the data attributes? Maybe. But for now, we'll just do one by one. Alright. Womp. Lucky for me, I already do this. Womp. Womp. Wait. No. No. Wait. What am I doing? Stop doing what you're doing. False. I'll have to make that true. Okay. Check it out. Womp. Data type empty. ID empty. Value empty. Name empty. Data true. Cool, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a string. Okay. Hey. This is it. First try. Check it out. This is gonna work. What am I doing? Oh yeah. When I use it, I lose it. I'm so smart. Let me tell you that I make myself laugh. I think I mentioned that before when I read my own book. I'm just really funny sometimes to myself. And you know, that's okay. You're allowed to be impressed by yourself. You're allowed to be sad about yourself. You're allowed to make yourself angry. You're allowed to make yourself happy. And you're extremely allowed to make yourself laugh. Laughing is great. I love laughing. If I am mad or upset or stressed, I'll just listen to stand up, you know, and I'll just make myself laugh at something, and then whatever I was really pissed about, or what I was really sad about, or upset about, or stressed about, loses power. And that's really important. Because staying mad, stressed, sad, or any of those negative emotions for too long, it's bad for your health. It's bad for everybody around you. It's bad for productivity. You don't get anything done when you can't focus because you're just pissed. So either don't get, be a robot, don't be upset about anything, or make yourself laugh. Make somebody else make you laugh. Just walk up to your significant other friend and be like, make me laugh. Or I'm gonna punch a wall. Or whatever. If you're sad, make me laugh or I'm gonna cry. And hopefully they will. Otherwise I might exacerbate the situation. What am I doing? Collecting. What was all that logic for? Oh, removing the item if I have to use it. Alright, let's try to use it. The only way to use it? Fight. Yeah. You know what? We're doing this. We are doing this. I'm killing you. That's right. He didn't have a chance. Man, I really need to change the health and fighting structure. Because that took a million clicks. And he is not a boss. Alright, good. I lost some life. You know what? I'm not okay with this guy being alive either. Get out of there. Give me some points. Alright. Oh wait, I can just do it. Wait, what? Oh, I started a new game, didn't I? Thank you. Aw, man. I'm stupid. I should have grabbed it before. Because now it's not in my item menu. Because the game works properly. Okay, let's try again. That just means I'm gonna have to kill that guy again. I don't have to, but I'm going to. Okay, collect it first so I can use it and watch it leave my menu item. Alright, now I have it. Let's go lose some life. Crap. Sometimes it starts me wherever it wants to. Go, motherfucker. You wanna go? I'm gonna poke you with my blue stick. Let's go, fucker. Good thing this can't hurt me. Though I guess that would solve my having to get shot problem, is if I made the runner guy actually hurt you when he runs into you. Though I gotta make him attack. He can't just like, if he touches you, he hurts you, right? Because then I die pretty much immediately. Dude, die. Can't tell if I'm like hitting him unless I'm in the middle. Oh my god, my finger's getting tired. Am I actually hurting him? Fuck. There's definitely some issues going on with the health issue. Okay. Alright, cool. So check it out. I lost some health. Okay. I have an item in my menu. That gives me health. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to use it. I got all cocky. First try. And then I realized it did not leave my menu when I used it. Use worked. So that's good. But it didn't remove it from my item menu. I have a feeling it's something to do with this stupid console error. Because it should have taken title tester and done something about it. Shoot, you know what? I feel like this is a problem. I feel like position isn't correct. No, it should be correct. Hold on. Position. Position type is health, probably, yes. Position is probably not right. Oh, run point animation. Maybe. No, I'm wrong. It is right. I'm putting the title. Okay. Well, prove it. Prove that you're right. Prove to me that you're correct. Add user points, position. Let's try it. Because if this is correct, then it should work. It should, you know, reset that item. I wonder if it would work if I refresh the page. Like maybe it's not working because I'm creating that element. Maybe. Let's just check. Tester. Yeah, position's good. But oh, I should have no point to it. No, I'm removing it. I don't need to do that. Okay. So add user points. Position's good. Oops. That was a dumb thing. What are you doing, dude? Oh, this is from app.js. God, I gotta get rid of all these stupid add classes. I wonder if I could rewrite this. To... No, because I don't know what the thing is. Okay. Well, no, can't. Okay. So I want to go in here and I want to see what I'm getting here. That's what I want. Let's double check that I'm saying the right thing. Retrieval points. Retrieval points. Storage menu, storage item. Yeah, that's correct. And then just title position should be pretty much correct. Yep. Yeah, I could say spam, but I don't think it's gonna make a difference. Okay, let's see what we get here. It's actually an old Bring Me the Horizon song, Black and Blue. Back when they were like all screaming. That somebody hired me to remake. It's alright. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we get when we use it. That's weird. Oh. Is that the problem? It's collectible, not collectible. What am I getting for collectible? What do you want to bet it's the bool value true and not true as a string? Let's do this just in case, because sometimes it's hard to tell if it's a string or not. Alright, let's see what we get. Click. Use. Alright, hold on. Because I'm not in here, maybe? No. Let's restart, just in case. It didn't compile. Let's get in here. What's going on? Add user points is not getting hit. Oh. I'm so stupid. Look, why isn't this getting hit? It's because the logic says don't hit if you have full life. Easily remedied. Right here. Hit me. Bop. False, undefined. False, undefined. Wait, what? What's the first one I'm looking for? Fall, undefined. Oh. Yeah, well, that makes sense, because he's not collectible. Alright, let's try it now. Use. Oh, man. I gotta refresh. I must refresh. Refresh. Cafeteria freeze. Okay, let's use first try. Null. I'm getting null. Of course I am. It's not gonna be a collectible, you dumb. Why would it be collectible? It's a menu item. It's not the actual item itself. Like, I'm not even thinking anymore. No, of course that doesn't exist. But you know what does exist? The class. Storage item. Right? Dummy. It's contain. Contain. Yeah, contain. There you go. It's like contain is right. Alright, so now this is true or false, and this will be a bool. Oh, idiot. There we go. Bull. That's bullshit. Like that. What'd I tell you? I make myself laugh. Alright, let's try again. Refresh. I have full health. Jimmy not full health. Thank you. And I have not full health. This is a collectible because it's a storage item. Use. First try. That should be my new thumbnail. Just microphone head. Why is it so perfectly sized when I lean back? That's kind of funny. Alright. That's fantastic. Unless you refresh the page, in which does nothing. So I need to update. So I'm going to go to that function that I created, save storage item, and I'm going to add a remove feature to it. So all I need to do is provide all the information. Remove equals set, return, remove, and we'll do sanitize text field. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just pass it as a string. Remove. Okay. Otherwise false. False. What are you doing? Okay. Check it out. True equals. Boom. Boom goes the dynamite. Okay, so remove. So if it's remove, I'm going to take the current storage items. If remove is true, then remove the provided item. I can hear the old dog walking around the house right now. It's hard to cut their nails. All their quicks are so long, so they always clickety-clack on the hardwood floors. But they all have different walking patterns. That's how I know who's who. Big dog's very obvious. Medium dog is obvious. Much smaller feet. The smallest dog is very obvious. Very quick little steps. And then you have the old man who's, you know, in between. But he's just like fat and stuff, so he pop 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 pop, and it stops. It's like always confused, walking back and forth, turning around. Okay, so if it's remove, then what I want to do is completely not do any of this. I just want to remove the item, so I'll leave this stuff in the else statement. But if it's removed, then I want to take the current storage item. Okay. I want to take the menu map. Sure. And then I want to take the I need the index. I need to do an array search. So do array search, which is needle. Haystack is next. Strict. Always strict. I'm a very strict person. And then the needle is going to be... How do you do... Is it array associate? Oh, array diff associate. That sounds right. Here's the array. And then no, that's not what I was trying to do. It's not array diff associate. Hey, I'm actually gonna look something up. Weaver pointed out that when he was watching my stream that I don't Google things that much. It's not because I'm super smart. It's just because I'm using things I already know. So I tend to not need to look up things, but there's certain functions like this where I'm just, especially when I'm working with arrays, I hate array stuff. Pop, push, search, diff, merge, especially associative arrays that I build. So I just forget, does array search actually look at the values and stuff and return the index? I wonder if that actually worked now that I think about it. I think I'm just gonna try it. So I'm gonna do name is what I'm looking for inside this, and that should give me the index. Remove index. Okay. And does a research return false if it doesn't find anything? Returns false interstring. The key for the needle if it's found in an array, otherwise false. The key for the needle. If needle is found in haystack more than once, the first matching key is returned. To return the keys for all matching values, use array keys, and with the optional search value parameter instead. Doesn't help me, because my keys are all the same. I need index. I thought I returned the index. Like string search, you know? No, that's a character position. Array search key. I don't need the key. What do I do? I know what I do. I gotta fucking loop through this like a dummy. Like a big fat dummy. I'm so big and fat and dumb. Storage. Hide right? Right. And then storage item. Name. If storage item name. Name equals storage item name. Let's do index. Remove index. Flower she blows. And then what I'm gonna do is go into current storage items, menu map, index, delete, no, it's not delete. I forget the function. Remove. No. What is it? Array. Pop. What is it? What's it? How do you? Remove item in array. PHP. No. It's not splice, is it? What's all where it just deletes? Unset. That's what it is. Unset is what I'm looking for. There you go. So boom. Yeah. So that whole array should be deleted now. Rubber. Let's try it. Let's fucking go. Oh yeah, I still need to add the whole function part in JavaScript. So save storage item, removes it here, and then I'm gonna run a save storage item. Save storage item. We got. Oh man. I'm gonna forget all this before I shut all this. Oh, I'm so annoying. Well, name is already here. It's called position. Oh, here we go. I think I got a few things here I can use. Value. Doesn't matter. Actually, I think the only thing that matters is name. I think type does too, which I have, and the value is whatever. And then I do remove, and then I do true. I'll add a new value to this. Remove. Remove. Oh. Remove. That's a spicy meatball, man. Okay. And then I can still hear him walking around the house. He has no idea where he is right now. Okay. Oh no. Save. Storage. Here we go. So we need to add a new one. I guess it'll be a string. And it will be remove. Yep. Could be replaced with this. Could it? Sure. I'll believe you. Usually you don't steer me wrong, ID. Oh, it's getting late. Okay, this is the last thing. If this works, we're good. I should just remove now. Let's compile. Let's jump in. It should not be gone because it didn't exist functionally to remove yet. Cool, still there. I need to lose some health. And honestly, it's gonna work. First try. It's just a fact. Let's make sure this is running. Let's go boop. Let's go boop. And let's go boop. So, get item description worked, sure. Add explore points worked. Yeah. What about my other call that I just added? Wait, save storage item? Yes. Bop, 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 bop. Oh, shoot. I'm looking for empty, aren't I? Looks like I'm gonna need to allow for empty. Sorry. And that's okay. Sometimes empty values need to exist. I guess I could have just removed the ones that could be empty, but yeah, whatever. I'm compiling for nothing. Let's try it again. Glad it's working. Looks like my health is working too. That's cool. Alright, shoot me, bitch. Thank you for hurting me. Okay. Now we're going to do this. We're going to cancel this so I can see clear. Boom. Yep. Use. Boom. Ooh. Well, it ran. That's good. But it's obviously not correct. Oh, look at that. Extra fucking... Why? Why you do that? Why you do that? Because I put... What is wrong? What am I doing here? Why are you wrong? Huh. Remove. Huh. What is it? Health. Empty. True. Maybe it can't be empty. I guess it can't be empty. Well, in that case, I'm gonna add that check back. Cause yeah, it can't be empty. It shouldn't matter. Okay. In that case, let's go back here. Let's just add zeros. I mean, it doesn't matter what it is. And by the way, I need to add false. Alright. True. True. 0. 0. Oh, ID's gotta be a number. ID. Oh, value's a number too, actually. Alright. Let's try this again. First try. This is gonna work. Don't even think it's not. We have menu. We have, oh, I gotta continue. We have pane. I am not at full health anymore. We are going to clear it. Check this out. And ready, set, use. Boom goes the dynamite. What do we got here? Yep. That worked. Now, a moment of truth. Will I have an item in my menu when I refresh right now? I'm on pins and needles in anticipation for non-failure. And do I have full health? I do. So that just means everything works. So now I can collect an item. If I have full health, I can collect the health item. I can lose some health. I can use the item and it'll remove from my menu because it's used. Can't use it again. Oh, I really need to disable click if it's empty. And we're solid. Now what's next? Because you can use an item. I need to add the drop functionality in case you want to collect something else and your 12 slots are full. So that's what I'll work on Monday, because Sunday I do not stream. Unless I want to. I don't think so. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we'll get drop working next stream to remove the item from the menu. And then I think, I mean, I can go into gear and weapon collecting. Maybe we'll work on gear and after that, you know, we'll create a shirt, you know, some new boots, and we'll try equipping new clothes and see if I can get them to like show up on the character's body. Probably just be more some color shapes. And then that's when we're going to need to create a custom post type for weapons and gear. Because I want to be able to like add new ones whenever I want for long-term upgrades and stuff like that. And control their strength and stuff. Yeah. Okay. That's it for me, guys. Appreciate you watching if you are. Please feel free to reach out on the Discord. Orbem Order has Discord. And you can join the community. There's a link on my website, orbemortar.com. I've got all the social medias, Threads, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, X, whatever. LinkedIn. I have a LinkedIn page that has 0 interaction. And yeah, you know, if you haven't picked up your copy of Orbem and you want to join the order and be part of things, I also have a mailing list that you can sign up on from orbemortar.com in case you want to get my news directly to your emails, which if anybody's watching this and you want to stay in contact and know what's going on with the universe, please sign up. The mailing list is very important going forward for staying in contact. But yeah, if you don't want to do that, Discord's great. You can come follow me on Twitch, talk to me there. You can talk to me in a lot of places. I have a contact form on the website too. And yeah, that is all. I have a couple more shorts scheduled for Monday, or for today and Monday. So I'll probably spend some time tomorrow pulling some juicy shorts out of the last stream and maybe this one. So we'll have next week front loaded. And yeah, hit me up. Goodbye, YouTube.